former capital of Porbandar princely state. Porbandar now is best known for being the birthplace of Mahatma Gandhi and Sudama. Kirti Mandir now stands as a symbol of peace, was constructed in memory of Gandhiji and Kasturba, right beside Bapu's ancestral house.
There is a very special reason I wanted to come here. Only if you remember Riding Happiness with Binika first season we did Dandi. And when you're there in Dandi, you listen to all of these stories, you understand how amazing as an event that was. And the reason I wanted to come here in Porbandar and just see the place where this guy was born, where these ideas were born, these intellectual thought process was born. And trust me, it's an experience in itself. It's just great. Just visited Pujya Kasturba Gandhi's house. You know what? You have to come and see all of these houses, all those old buildings where these are about 250-year-old buildings. But trust me, it'll give competition to any modern architecture right now. It's so well planned and managed. You got to see it yourself.
पोरबंदर बीच या फिर चौपाटी कहूँ was definitely on my list, and I'm so glad that I came here. I always say that I want to fly free and want to be unstoppable. Just standing there and watching these birds, you realize how beautiful their life is. ना सरदें इन्हें रोक सकती हैं, ना ही pandemic. And this is my life goal. So we are finally at Mocha Hanuman. When I was researching about the coastal ride, I came across this place which sounded very interesting, and the reason I'm here. The Guru Mata here, she came here when she was 20-ish, and she's the one who's managing this place. She's from France, And I keep saying this, Bhakti सबसे बड़ा religion है. And this is an example of that. When you take that turn, you see this. One of the most scenic coastal highways in India. This is Madhavpur Beach.